actually just want to like throw it out a window. Do do do. Do do do. Chilling. Oh, there's a lot of people up here. There's someone that I need to fight. And you someone. Get out. What? What are you doing? I am a mighty bird, made of fire. What are you doing with my mighty bird made of fire? Matthew, stop freaking swearing. It's kind of annoying. You're annoying. Okay, can you stop it? Oh, okay, cool. I probably kind of did that one to myself. Yep, I definitely did do that one to myself. Don't disrespect the tiny bird. Don't disturb me. I'm a tiny bird. Well, now I'm a big bird. I'm not a tiny bird anymore. I am a big, large, strong bird made of fire. And nobody's gonna mess with me. Mom said to cool it. Bob, cool it. No. Ha! Bye-bye, y'all. Ah, no! Don't get stuck. What is happening? No. I want to go the other way. Oh boy. There's gonna be some orange peeps over here. Just waiting to come. Okay. That was quite the ambush. Wow, that was an ambush. I'm gonna stay up here. Stay right here.